Hey bestie, so today I will be cooking some nice, delicious food. So I already put everything in there. Today I'm not gonna be doing any grinding stuff. I'm not grinding pepper. I'm parboiling the pepper along with everything. So it can give me different kind of taste. So now I already season it. I'm just gonna put the stove on and put water in it. And I got to eat it straight anyway. That's the thing. I want to eat confit. This is the sauce that will be eating. It's parboiled so well. After it parboiled very good, and I take this sauce and fry the chicken and the fish. I love to parboil my fish before frying it. Now I'm going to fry the chicken and the fish. This is it. I don't know if you guys seen it. Oh my god. The oil is hot, you see. There's my pour everything in there. It is frying now. This is the pepper and the oils. Now I have the dry boni putting it in my stew. So this is the stuff that I use to parboil. And I'm just going to allow this fry. I'm not doing deep frying. I just put everything in it. The oil. Like I say, I'm not doing deep frying. If you are new, you're welcome. My name is Malika. Can you please watch my video from start to end? Don't leave. I still have to show you guys the end of my food. So yeah, and I already put a drop on it in here. It's the pepper. This is the stuff that I parboil everything in the water. It tastes good, so I'm just gonna use that. Yeah. So now, as you can see, I'm just going to put my stew, everything in it, and just get this all set up. I'm going to be putting this first. Mm. Yeah, it looks good. I just mix everything in it, so I'm going to take this stuff that I parboil and put everything in it, and then when I let it boil a little bit, then I season it. So bestie, my food is ready, doing so well. It getting together. I'm gonna let it boil so well so it can be able to dry out. Yeah, it looked really good. So I just wanted to boil a little bit before I season it. But without seasoning it, it tastes very good because I was like parboiling the chicken and fish and everything. I kind of seasoned it, so I used that water and it really tastes good. So I'm just waiting for it to boil a little bit. Then I put the rest of my seasoning in it and just let it dry up. From that, I'm gonna cook the rice. So yeah, don't forget to like my video, bestie. So I'm cooking the rice right now. Well, my soup is cooking too. I just put the rice in there. This is the size of water I want. Using the cooker. Oh, I'm sorry guys for the noise. My stuff off. I'm using my rice cooker today. So here's my soup. It's really boiling. I will soon be seasoning it. It's really boiling. Bestie, see my soup? It's drying so good. You can see the oil in it. So I just letting it dry more good. My soup tastes so great. My rice is already how to cut it, so I just going to close it and let it do the rest. My soup looking pretty much good now. So my food is all done. Oh my god, it looks so good and it tastes so good. This is the oil, as you can see. It is all ready to eat. Thank you so much, bestie. Please watch my video from start to end, and I hope you really do like it. If you always watch my video, thank you so much. Welcome back. If you are new here, hi bestie. This place is very comfortable. You will like it. Yeah, my name is Malaika. Don't forget to like my video. If you want to subscribe so you can be able to see more, then feel free. Okay, thank you so much guys. So my rice is already done. Everything, as you can see, is very hot. Yeah, so yeah, we are done. Thank you. I will be coming up with a new content, so I'll also post some video too, and I hope you guys can watch it too. Thank you so much, bestie. God bless you guys. Bye bye. See you in my next video.